Number 8, the extended ratio is given below, 1 to 1 to 1. And what the problem wants us to do is to find the measure of the angles of the triangle. So what we need to do is first draw ourselves. We can just draw ourselves a regular old triangle. It doesn't have to be drawn on a scale. And just to make my life easier, I'm going to make this A, B, C. So I'm going to match up the 1 to 1 to 1 ratio as in A to B to C. I'm just trying to keep myself organized, okay? So, like I said, does not have to be drawn to scale. I'm a visual person, so I'm just trying to show what we're doing here. So, we're given these interior angles of 1 to 1 to 1. Those are not the angles. But every time angle A is 1, B is going to be 1, and C is going to be 1 times that. So we represent it by x to x to x. Now we're looking at the interior angle sum theorem, and we know that a triangle is always 180 degrees. And what we're going to do is equal it to x plus x plus x. So what we have here is 180 degrees is equal to 3x, because x plus x plus x is 3x. What we're trying to do is find out the value of x, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. Both sides by 3 to get rid of our coefficient, just to get the variable. We get x is equal to 60 degrees. So we're not finished at this point. We just have that x is equal to 60 degrees. So now I want to find the measure of angle A. I want to find the measure of angle B. And lastly, I want to find the measure of angle C. So we do have a 1 to 1 to 1 ratio. So I am going to plug in what the values are. Measure of angle A is x. Measure of angle B is x. And lastly, we have measure of C is equal to x. Well, we did find the value of x, so that means every single angle is going to be equivalent to 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Because if I were to highlight it, x, this is going to be 60. Wait, why do I even need to use a different color? Because they're all x's. So they're all going to be 60 degrees. Okay, so how do I know if I did this right? 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 6 is 18. We add a 0, we do have 180 degrees. So number 8, we know we did it right.